ka-oka! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for this video, I'm going to discuss to you the 5 types of communication. The interpersonal communication, mediated interpersonal communication, organizational communication, public communication, and lastly, the mass communication. But before I continue, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. First, interpersonal communication refers to the communication between two persons, whether they are verbal or non-verbal. The example is,
Ano ba yan? Ang dami namin gagawin sa school. Kayo, Per, wala pa kayong gagawin sa school?
Meron pero binabaliwala ko lang kasi ayaw ko ma-stress.
Kasi ang namin maraming project, maraming pinapagawa ng aming mga guro.
Sus kami rin. Pero meron naman akong kagrupo tsaka binibigyan ko rin sila ng mga gawain para naman may silbisin.
Ganun ba?
second, mediated interpersonal communication. There are times that you cannot talk face-to-face, so the communication becomes mediated through the use of pen, cell phone, or computer. The example is, hello? Saan ka ba? Okay, sige. Pupunta ako dyan. Anong oras ba? 7:30. Sige. Bye. The third one, organizational communication. People communicate different in a working environment. The example is, the fourth is public communication. Involves one person communicating to a large number of people. Example is,
Dili arang masaway. Bantayan nyo Bantayan nyo na magsulti ta. Nagkanang pinahaon. Pero di man kalikayan yun.
and lastly, the mass communication is the term commonly used to refer communication system. Traditional form of mass communication is newspaper, radio, television, and film. The example is, so that's my video for today's channel, guys. Hope that you understand the 5 types of communication. See ya in the next video.